starting with this easy natural daytime makeup, of course, you need to have a primer. I'm using this primer from Beauty Guru. And for my foundation, I am using the Everbalena Liquid All Day Liquid Foundation. This is really good for like a party when you don't have so much flashback if you take photos. So I'm attending a party today, basically today. So as you could see from this movement that I'm very fast, because this is just about like 20-minute makeup, and I was really in a hurry to get this makeup. And then for my under eye, I'm using this concealer from MAC, and just conceal a little bit some of that darkness under the eyes. And looking at it in the mirror, I feel like that it is too yellowish and a little bit dark, so I put a little bit of Sunsun HD liquid foundation, just a little bit under the eye and then also on the lid, and then swipe it with a dry sponge. It's just a very quick patting motion until everything is well blended. Now to set my face, just the Maybelline 24-hour Stay Powder. This is really good, and so far this is my go-to, so that's what I've been using to set my face. And also for my T-zone, I like to pat it, like press it onto the skin, especially with my large pores on my T-zone. That's what I've been doing to make sure, and also swiping it under my neck to make sure that I'm not like a mask with this makeup. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Everbalena palette. So basically grabbing this transition color and a blending brush. Okay, so it is a blown out makeup look, easy, and you just have to make sure that you put the eyeshadow starting on the outer corner, then swiping inwards, okay, like that, outer, and then going inwards, and then just keep on like blending it, making it blown out effect until you don't see any harsh lines. It's all about making it well blended. Next one is to darken it a little bit, so deepen it with a darker color. So same brush, put it on the outer corner and then swipe it inwards, focusing mostly on the crease line. With this look, it's just very easy, just one brush, and that's all you really need. Just a tool is really that can really help you with this is the blending brush. And then for the inner lid, or say the lid, space, just that champagne color. And most of this shadow with this palette is more matte, so this is more like a champagne color in the lid, so I'm using a flat brush, or you can even use your finger if you want, if you don't have, or that blending brush that I used previously, you can use it. Just clean it with a dry towel, you can do that. Okay, and again, see, I'm again blending it with the blending brush that I've been using previously with no additional product, and then I just use my other hand on a different lighter shade. This is more on white because the champagne color previously is more like washed out, and I want it more, a little bit more vibrant, a little bit, so I grabbed that whiter color. And now for the lower lash line, just this medium brown, somewhat mauvey color under the lower lash line, just half of the eye, just half of it. Okay, because I have a small eyes, I don't want my eyes to get close, and I don't want to use any like very dark eyeshadow in there. And again, blending it some more. You know, blending is the key. And for my eyeliner, I like to use this eyeliner from Maybelline. And before doing my eyeliner, I'm curling my lashes, I forgot, so that's what I've been doing here. And I did a wing eyeliner, and because I feel like it's more flattering on my eyes, but it's more on downwards since I have hooded eyes, and I feel like doing so can make my eyes a little bit more like nicer. So I like this. Just very light, not too heavy handed, just a tiny like thin stripes, a little bit of a wing at the end. Nothing special, but that's what I like. And this eyeliner is really good because it can stay put all day, even if you have watery eyes, if you have sensitive eyes, this can work. And now for my mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal, okay, Lash Paradise, which is one of my fave. And then for the face, all products from Vice, and I will list down all the products down below so you will know. And I'm starting off with my just a light contour on the face, or I say bronzer, just a light bronze because I'm a little bit pale with a powder and liquid foundation, so just very like blown out bronze on the face to give more color back. So I'm really doing it very fast because I'm running out of time, and this is what I've been doing. And after that, I think this is Tidal. It's the blush. It's like a light reddish, brownish, I don't know, blush. I do like it. It's flattering on my skin. So just very light-handed. Okay, just very light, just to give a flush on the face. And then for my highlighter, I don't have a brush with me, so I'm just using my fingers, and then just very light on the highest point of my cheek. That's it, just using my fingers. And yeah, it's very easy when you have a tool. When you don't have a tool, just use your fingers. And on my bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. Right, that's it. And for my lipstick, my all-time favorite right now is the 24-hour, of course, from Maybelline. I do like it. It can make my color of the lip stay put even if I eat. And then again, I set up my face again with the powder to make sure everything is in blaze. So basically, this is my makeup for the day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye!